Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by duplicating the clip so you have a safe backup. This prevents accidental loss. Once done, switch to the color and effects workspaces to access masks and keying tools quickly. Make sure to zoom to 100% and scrub frame by frame to locate the exact frames with the pimple. Now create a compound clip of the segment you will fix. This isolates the work and keeps your timeline tidy as you proceed to localized corrections. You apply a draw mask or shape mask over the blemish and set the mask to track the movement. This keeps the correction attached to the skin while the subject moves. Then reduce the saturation and tweak color wheels to blend the patch into surrounding tones because exact matching avoids a pasted look. Make sure to feather the mask heavily, around 40 to 60%, and lower opacity instead of full replacement so texture reads naturally. Once tracked, refine keyframes for micro shifts. You finish by adding a small amount of noise or film grain to the corrected area to restore natural texture. This prevents a plastic patch. After that, render the segment and play at full resolution to inspect both still frames and motion. If you see edge halos or color mismatch, reopen the mask, soften edges more, retrack a few frames, or switch to a clone/patch approach using a nearby skin sample. A single troubleshooting tip: if tracking drift.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.